Hope Mamone here, iglide product manager for igus Incorporated. Today we're here to talk about some iglide bearings, which are injection molded plastic. We've all heard about the reputation plastic gets for environmental issues, and today I want to focus on some good things. These bearings are all made of a solid polymer, solid lubricants, and some fibers and fillers. The thing I want to focus on at the moment is the solid lubricants. There's no need for additional lubrication. It's all built right into the bearing. So without that additional lubrication, there's less harm to our environment. 50% of all external lubricants end up in the environment. And of that, 1 liter of that lubricant can contaminate over 1 million liters of drinking water. So the solid lubricant does help to keep our drinking water supply safe. Other things we've done here at igus is with our innovations, we've come up with our eco line of bearing materials. And what this is a minimum of 97% regrind. And these materials, like all of our materials, are tested in our lab, and we are able to provide lifetime a number of hours. So if you'd like an environmentally friendly material that you can estimate the lifetime on, we're happy to help with that. Some other options are bearings made from renewable resources. Another thing I just wanted to point out is the weight difference between an iglide plastic bearing and a traditional metal counterpart. As you can see here, we have a scale that shows approximately 5 iglide bearings weigh slightly less than 1 metal bearing. So if you can imagine the energy that it takes to transport bearings all over the world, or maybe an aerospace application, an electric vehicle, there just is a lot of savings with the lighter weight material. And to produce these iglide bearings, it takes about 50% of the energy to produce a plastic part as it would its metal counterpart made of steel or aluminum. Also another great way to help the environment and save on energy. One goal that igus has that's quite important to us is to be CO2 neutral by the year 2025. A few of the steps that we've already taken to achieve this goal is to replace many of our injection molding machines with new ones that are over 40% more efficient. Our recycling rate of non-bearing products, the sprue, etc., parts like that, is up to 99%. So another hot topic we often hear about when talking about plastics is PFAS. And igus understands the importance of this. So what we've done is we've taken our top iglide materials and sent them off to an independent lab for testing. The lab tested the top 100 components in PFAS, and all iglide materials did pass the tests that were provided. To find out how iglide bearings can help reduce your CO2 footprint, or if you have any additional bearing questions, please see the information below. See you in the next video.